In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to share projects inside of Google AI Studios. Let's say you're building an application inside of the build section and you want to share one of your projects. What you can do is just open up the project that you're trying to share. I'm just going to choose one of these projects. Now, once you select the project and now once you're inside, you'll be able to see the share icon on the top right of the screen. Just click on the share option right here. Now, there are multiple ways that you can share this. Either you can just copy in this link, or what you can also do is click on advanced share permission. This way, like you normally do on Google Docs, you'll be able to add in the person's email address and then quickly share this access. Or you can also make this to anyone with the link, and you can just copy in this link and then provide it to someone else. Now, apart from sharing directly through the link, you can also download the entire project and share like that by clicking on the download app option, and this code base will be entirely downloaded on your phone and you can share this zip folder to others as well. So these are the few ways that you can share your projects inside of Google AI Studio. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.